East 46 Terrace.
Oh, no, maybe not. But I do think there's one for them as Nebraska court.
And we don't have the lockbox code yet.
No, of course not.
Might as well just call them when we get done with Kimball or Springer.
Yeah, so we're on our way. There's no lockbox code. Yeah.
You guys just want to call us back and give it to us. So that video that kid had of his dad teaching him how to bunt at 10, now it's stitched. He's having his dad react to it.
What's his dad saying?
He's just laughing.
That's why. You gotta squeeze the bat. Squeeze the bat. I've never met someone who has so much trouble with bunting.
Dude, I remember kind of learning how to bunt.
I remember learning how to bunt in 5th grade, which was the first year I played any kind of organized baseball, 5th grade. I was pretty good at it right off the bat. In the very first game after we learned how to bunt, my coach gave me the old bunt sign, and I fouled it off.
Really?
I don't think I ever bunted again in my life.
I never really bunted to... I bunted to cause havoc, but I didn't bunt to move runners over or anything. But the home run I hit, I fake bunted.
Fake bunt home run.
Fake bunt bomb. Every time I see Cole's dad, he always says that to me. He goes, "You remember when you fake bunted and hit a moonshot?" He goes, "It's kind of the coolest thing I've ever seen."
How much do you think Salvador Perez would raise his on-base percentage if he'd just take the first 3 pitches? Every at bat, take the first 3 pitches.
50 points.
Gotta be.
Yeah.
I bet if you... And they have all this information. He's got to know all this information. How many strikes do you think he gets first pitch?
Not. Maybe 10% of the time.
Maybe 10%. And he's up there hacking at it all the time. If they got a slider, he's done.
That's all he's throwing. It's all I throw.
Somebody's got to... The only way he's getting hit off a guy with a slider is if they just completely miss one.